Aviation market is going to grow about double in next 6 years. India is the fast growing air passenger market, and we can expect that about 300 million passengers will be traveling every year within the 6 years coming in future. And for that reason we need to have almost double the aircraft which we are having at present. In case we take those many number of aircrafts, we need to have aircraft professionals also, as far as technical experts, as far as engineers and ground support staff is concerned. We need to have almost double the manpower to take care of all such aircrafts, and for that reason we have started btech Aerospace Engineering at our university. Recently we bought the wind tunnel, which is a subsonic wind tunnel, wherein we can test the models at 60 meters per second. Live aircrafts also, because we are having collaboration with one of the leading aerospace industry, wherein they are operating the live aircraft, and our students will be getting exposure at that place. Prospects of our students passing out from here are towards the job available in the HAL, DRDO, NAL, ISRO and many other good companies. I can say that the students passing out from our university will be having very good knowledge and skills, and they will be best fit to the aviation industry. A very warm welcome to the students who are joining btech Aerospace Engineering in the academic session 24-25, and my best wishes to all of them.